So yesterday we were learning about am, is, are. That is also a verb. That is also part of verb. Okay. So so here are also more examples. More examples. The camel is a desert animal. Is would be the verb. Vegetables and fruits are healthy food. Okay. Lambs are baby sheep. So here you can see singular nouns is and plural noun. 1 minute. Two more is waiting. One minute, guys. I'm adding two more people.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So, Suchitra, can you read the first line? Kenneth is a lawyer.
Yeah. Kenneth is a lawyer.
Okay.
Rex is a clever dog.
So this all is, everything is verb. Okay. The bold one is verb. Okay.
Yeah.
Read, continue.
A duck is a kind of bird. The playground is full of people today. My house is near the school. These questions are too difficult. The balloons are very colorful. Those people are very busy. Dad and mom are in the kitchen.
Okay. So you guys understood is and are is also part of verb. In a similar way, 1 minute. Mahindra, what happened?
Sorry, ma'am. By mistake it came.
Okay. And in singular, we use is. For plural nouns, we use are. Okay. And also the word there. Use is, are with the word there to say what you can see and hear. Okay. Mahindra, can you read the first line?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you read the first
There is
line?
a fence around the school.
No, I was highlighting this one.
There is a castle on the hill.
Castle.
There is a castle on the hill.
Okay, so
There
there
are
is.
some clouds.
Hold. So here there is. Okay, we are pointing at a particular. That boy is pointing to a particular place. Okay, so that pointing one, the pointing that there is would also become a verb. Okay. Okay,
Yes,
read the
ma'am.
next. Read the next.
There are some clouds in the sky.
Okay. Next.
There is a fence around the school.
Okay. Karthik, next.
Sorry, ma'am.
Read the next line.
There is a wasp nest in the tree.
Which did you read? I was supposed. I think there are two guards at the gate. That one you have to read. Fine.
Oh,
Fine.
there are
Fine. No
two.
problem. Read the next.
There are two guards at the gate. Is there any food in the fridge? Are there any apples left on the tree? How much
Amaya,
rice is
continue.
there?
Okay. Amaya, continue.
How much rice is there? There are a few sharks in the bay. There are enough candies for everyone.
There are few sharks. Sharks.
Sharks.
Yeah.
There are enough candies for everyone. Another, there are two pigeons on the roof.
Okay. So you understood is, are, there when we were pointing to a place, there. Similarly, was, were is also verb. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. For example, right. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah. So here am, is, are, was, were, will be, should be, must be, should have been. We will learn sentences on this words. Okay, I mean in this verbs. Okay. Uh, okay. There are some verbs here. You can use this verb with the sentences. I am smart. For example, I am smart. I was smart. I will be smart. I can be smart. I should be smart. I must be smart. I should have been smart. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So this all are the supporting verbs we are using. Okay. With the proper
Okay.
verb. So
Hello. I'm
yeah.
just seeing this only. I'm seeing exercise 1 only. I am, is, or are. I'm seeing page number 86 below.
Okay. 1 minute. I will share this. I'll stop sharing and share again. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Now you can see.
Yeah, I'm smart. I was confident. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So you can use these verbs or any other verbs for just supporting this. I am, I was, I will be, I can be. So I need each. How many people are there? Amaya, Suchitra, Mahendra, Karthik. Only 4 I can see. I hope there is no other people. Yeah, it's Aishwarya, Prakash, and Pawan. Hi, Aishwarya. I can't hear you, dear. Hi, Aishwarya. Please unmute yourself.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, hi. Where are you from?
From Kerala.
Okay, fine. Fine. I'm also from Kerala. Great. So we were learning about simple verbs, which is not an action. Still, we use it. Is, are, am. Okay. So this is just simple examples I have taken. We will connect later for the previous classes. I'll just give a brief. Okay. Hi, Mukund. He's not responding. Fine. Fine, no problem. Can someone read sentences for me with this word, like I said previously?
Yeah, can I?
Yeah.
I am smart.
Mm-hmm.
Same word, no? Same thing, no?
Yeah, same word.
I was confident. Yeah, I am smart. I was confident.
No,
I will
I
be
am
happy.
smart. No, Suchitra. I am smart. I was smart. I will be smart. I can be smart. I should be smart. I must
Okay,
be
okay.
smart.
Yeah. I should have been smart. Okay. I will use the second of confident.
Okay.
I am confident. I was confident. I will be confident. I can be confident. I should be confident. I must be confident. I should have been confident.
Yeah.
Is that okay?
Yeah, fine.
Next also happy.
Next, I guess Pawan. Can you read this for me?
I am happy. I was happy. I will be happy. I can be happy. I should be happy. I must be happy. I should have been happy.
Yeah. So this is just I'm giving an examples. Okay. So when you are reading the sentences, you can understand how the meaning changes. I am smart means I'm still smart. I was smart means previously I was smart. I will be smart means in future I will be smart. I can be smart means it becomes a possibility, ability. Okay. I should be smart is a confident level, right? I should be. It has to be. Okay. I must be is also similar. I should have been is a past, like, oh, I should have been done that. Understood? This is a difference. I hope everyone is okay with what I'm saying.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Karthik, can you continue with responsible?
Yes, ma'am. I am responsible. I was responsible. I will be responsible. I can be responsible. I should be responsible. I must be responsible. I should have been responsible.
Yeah. Sincere, Karthik. Oh no, Karthik said right now. Amaya, continue.
Yes, ma'am. I am sincere. I was sincere. I will be sincere. I can be sincere. I should be sincere. I must be sincere. I should have been sincere.
Yeah. Same way with they. They are, they were, they will be, they can be, they should be, they must be, they should have been. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Same with he is, he was, he will be, he can be, he should be, he must be, he should have been. Same with she. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Back to our lesson. So, Amaya, what is verb?
Verb is action word, ma'am.
Okay. For example,
Eat, write, read, swim, play.
okay, fine. Fine, understood. When what is are they?
They are the supporting verb, ma'am. They are the
Okay.
supporting
Articles.
Okay, can you create a sentence with is? Any sentence, not from the exercise I've we are seeing in the
Okay, ma'am.
screen.
There is a church in our village.
There is a church in our village. Okay, fine. Suchitra.
The
Suchitra.
story is good.
Yeah, fine. I wanted to create a sentence with there.
Okay, okay. Uh, there are youngsters too in the village.
There are youngsters too in the village. Fine. Okay. Karthik,
Yes, ma'am.
make a sentence with are.
Children are playing.
Sorry.
Children are playing.
Children are playing. Fine. Okay. So can we go for the exercise part?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
So first, who will answer me? They dash my good friends.
Are.
They are, ma'am.
Are, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Aishwarya, are you understanding what is going on?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we are learning about am, is, are. Okay, the basic supporting. We can say it as a supporting verb. Okay, even if there is no action in the sentence, but still, if there is a is, was, are, there, it becomes verb. Okay. There was one more guy. Mukund, can you hear me? Fine, no problem. He dash a soldier. Naveen, can you answer this? He dash a soldier.
He is a soldier, ma'am.
Yeah. Mahindra, next one. You dash taller than Charlie.
You are taller than Charlie.
Okay. Pavan, next.
She is ill.
Okay. Amaya, next.
We are very angry. We are very angry. Are.
R. Okay. Next, Suchitra.
It is a sunny day.
Yeah. Mahindra. Mahindra.
With Joe.
I dash angry with Joe.
I was.
I am.
I am. You can use am.
Yeah. Okay.
Next, Pavan.
You are all welcome to my house.
Yeah, definitely come, Pavan. Fill in the blanks with is or are. Okay. Ready,
Yeah.
guys?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Do we need to create a team?
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
No.
It's
Why?
fine. Oh, it's fine.
Work is very important. I can't see how many are there. Fine.
9.
9 are there. Odd. We have 10 sentences. Fine. See, no problem. We'll make a team. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I can see here Amaya, Suchitra, Amaya, Aishwarya, Amaya, Suchitra, Mahindra, Karthik, one team. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Pavan, Mukund, Naveen. I can see 2 Naveen. So both Naveen, I guess it's a different person. So other 4 would be in other team. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yela.
Okay. It would be like I will read the sentence. Who raised their hands first? That team should answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay. John's dog dash very friendly. Oh, I got answer. Wait, I'm getting confused. Naveen has answered. Yeah, Naveen, tell me.
Is, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So you get your team get a point. And next, okay, raise your hands down because then I will not understand next. Okay. Robert dash 10 years old. Yeah, Mahindra.
Robert is 10 years old.
Good. So again, 1 point.
Ma'am, I raise hand first, ma'am.
Because of the small screen, I could not understand who raised first. That's okay. Who said that, by the way? Who said that? I did not get who said that.
Me, ma'am. Naveen.
Mahendra.
Fine, Naveen, it's okay. These flowers dash very pretty.
Was.
Aishwarya, I got first from Aishwarya. Aishwarya?
These flowers are very pretty.
Good point. Good. So Suchitra team gets 2 points and Naveen team get 1 point, I guess. Right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
These 2 schools dash close to each other.
R.
Who said that R?
Me, ma'am. Naveen.
Naveen. Okay, Naveen team gets 1 more point. Everyone's hand is down, right? No cheating, huh? Math dash not a very difficult subject. Naveen raised hand first.
Is, ma'am.
Oh, Navin is very angry, I think. Math is not very good. Fine. Dash dinner ready. Karthik. I got Karthik's hand first. Karthik,
Is
sorry.
ma'am is
Okay. Is dinner ready? Okay. Mukund also raised hand. Very good, Mukund. Okay. Next, let Mukund answer. Okay. Everybody almost answered. I want Mukund to answer. Where is Mukund? Can you hear me, Mukund?
Yes, ma'am.
This computer dash very easy to use.
This computer is easy.
Yeah.
Is very easy to use.
Okay, great. Great, Mukund. All the windows dash open. Yeah, Suchitra.
Are open.
It was Suchitra's turn.
Okay, ma'am.
All the
Yes.
windows are open.
Yeah. Sue and Jane dash neighbors.
Are neighbors.
Our neighbors.
Everybody answered. So there is no point. I lost the counts. His
No
hair
problem.
dash curly. Mukund raised.
Is.
Okay, Mukund.
Is
Please. Okay, I am sorry. I lost the scores. Did anybody note it?
Yes, ma'am. I get 6 points.
Who said that?
Naveen, ma'am.
Naveen's team gets 6 points. And Suchitra, did you know? Did you note down? Great. Mukund, you can raise down your hand. Fine. There are 15 more questions. Do we need to continue? Are you guys bored? Or do we need to continue?
Continue.
Fine. So we'll have to answer there is or there are. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. I'll tell the name. They have to answer it. Okay? Okay. In my screen, I can see first person is Mukund. Okay. Mukund, tell me the first one.
there is
Okay. Read the sentence.
a fence around the barn.
Okay. Pawan next.
There are trees along the road.
Okay. Naveen next.
Which Naveen, ma'am?
Third one.
Who's one? I think me.
Why may? Only we have to use there is or there are. Then how would may?
No, he's asking there are 2 Navins.
Oh, I'm sorry. Naveen,
It's okay.
sorry guys,
Yes,
sorry.
Naveen
It's my
Chittur.
bad. My bad. Chituri. Okay. Yeah, tell me,
There
Naveen.
is, ma'am. There is a rainbow. There is a rainbow in the sky.
There is a rainbow in the sky. Okay. The other Naveen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me. Dash nothing. Sorry.
There
Dash
is a
lots
rainbow in
of
the sky.
parks in our town.
Fourth
There
one.
are, ma'am.
Both Naveen. Don't get confused. Naveen Chituri, you please mute yourself. Let Alam Naveen answer.
Allam Naveen, ma'am.
Sorry, Alam Naveen. I'm really sorry.
He is also my friend.
Oh, great.
All my brothers and sisters.
Dash lots of parks in our town. Alam Naveen.
Yes,
Lost.
ma'am. There are.
Okay, fine. Sujitra next.
There is nothing in the cupboard.
Great. Aishwarya next.
There are not many bedrooms in the house.
Okay. Amaya next.
There are lots of mistakes on your test paper.
Yeah. Mahindra next.
There is a wasp nest in the tree.
Yeah. Mukund.
Ma'am, question number.
Ninth one, dear.
There are ants in the cookies.
Yeah, great. Please continue the series. I mean, Karthik, Pavan, Naveen, Suchitra. You continue.
There is many different kinds of animals in the zoo.
Okay.
Zoo.
Okay. Karthik.
There are plenty of food on the table.
Okay. Naveen.
There is a
There
church
is
on the hilltop.
Okay. Other Naveen.
there are no more water in the pool.
Okay. Suchitra.
There are too many people on the beach.
Yeah. And the last one, Aishwarya.
There are only a few customers in the shop.
Shop. Great. Okay. So you understood what are all verbs? The action is a verb. When there is any action in a sentence, that is verb. Am, is, are, there, was, were is also verbs.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, guys?
Yes.
Yeah, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so there are few new students for the day. So we'll have a small introduction. We want to know who all are they.
I recommend them, ma'am.
Sorry, who said that?
Naveen.
Yeah, okay. We'll start with Aishwarya. Aishwarya, can you tell me about yourself?
I'm Aishwarya Prakash. I'm from Kerala. Actually, I'm studying in BTech.
Okay. Where you are staying in Kerala?
Trivandrum.
Okay. So what are your hobbies? Who all are there at your home?
Reading books.
Okay. Who all are there at your home?
Mummy, daddy, and young sister.
Okay. Fine. What is your hobby? Oh, reading. You said that. Okay. What do you want to become?
Food technologist.
Food technologist. Wow. Something new I have heard. Fine. Great. Hi, Mukund. Can you tell me about yourself? Mukund? I lost Mukund. Fine. Naveen? Alam Naveen.
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
you
Good
tell
evening,
me
ma'am.
about, yeah, tell me about yourself.
This is Alam Naveen from Andhra Pradesh, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm
Okay.
studying BTech first year, ma'am.
Okay. And
That's all.
that's all. What are your hobbies? What do you want to become? Who all are there at your home?
I'm very much interested in photography, ma'am.
Photography. Good.
In our family, we are 4 members, ma'am.
Okay.
I have one younger brother, ma'am.
Okay. What is he doing?
He's studying 10th class, ma'am.
He's studying in 10th class.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Do we today what after our grammar part we used to take a reading or a debate session or anything a conversation. So what do you guys want today? A reading session or anything? Any discussion on topics? Any topic? You guys suggest.
Reading.
Reading. Okay, we'll
Topic
start.
is better, ma'am.
Topic is better. I'll take a vote then. Majority wins. Let me know who all want to discuss and who all want to read. Aishwarya, you want to read any session, any topic, or you want to discuss on any topic?
Reading.
Reading. Okay, Karthik. Tell me, you all guys tell me. I have to not I am asking each and every person. Let me know.
My discussion.
Karthik. Huh?
My discussion. Discussion on
Discussion.
any
Okay,
topic.
2 discussions and 2 readings. Mahendra,
Reading, ma'am.
reading. Okay. Suchitra.
Reading. I told first one only.
Okay. Pawan.
This time. Yeah.
Discussion.
Discussing. Oh God, this is getting a tie. Naveen. Alam Naveen.
Reading, ma'am.
Ray.
It's okay. Majority wins. Reading. Okay, tomorrow we will discuss. I'll give a
Okay,
top
ma'am.
and we will discuss. Okay, tomorrow we'll discuss. Pakka.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, give me a moment. I hope everyone can see my screen.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'll give one chart type who have one has 1 minute. Huh? I lost you guys chat. 1 minute, 1 minute. Just a minute, guys. Okay, who's going to start? Suchitra, start.
Yeah. Just a minute, huh? Yeah.
Yeah.
Change your life. 3 keys to success in life. Aaron Hoffman.
Yeah.
All rights reserved. No part of this book may be reproduced in any form or by an electronic or mechanical means, including information storage and retrieval systems without permission in writing from the publisher, except by a reviewer who may quote brief passages in a review.
Ignore this introduction.
Yeah, introduction. Do you want to program your mind and hack your body to stay in a positive state, a state of action taking throughout the day? I suggest you read on. We will look at 3 keys to success that successful people are doing that you can model to program your mind to be in the state of succeeding from the moment upon waking and make decisions throughout the day that will lead you towards your desires.
Pawan, continue.
Okay. The biggest obstacle to success is autopilot. One of the biggest pilots
Pitfalls.
flaws in
Biggest
the modern
pitfalls.
society.
Pawan, one of the biggest
Pitfalls.
pitfalls. Okay.
One of the biggest pitfalls in the modern society is to fall into the trap of going on autopilot, to be walking dead and do what everyone else are doing. Most of you are too busy reacting
Most
and
of us.
responding to
Most of us.
most of
Pawan,
us
most of us.
are too busy reacting and responding to the environment and what's happening around
Environment.
us.
Environment.
Environment,
Hmm.
environment,
Hmm.
and what's happening around us.
Pawan, read slowly.
Yes.
Okay, read slowly.
Okay.
Don't rush. Okay, because if I want to correct you, you are going on, so I can't. I'm unable to correct you.
Okay.
So it is like most of us are too busy reacting and responding to the environment and what's happening around us. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
While we should act and
Hack.
take act and take charge of our own world and our own reality. We forget to stay focused and we forget
Focused.
about focus,
Stay focused.
stay focused,
Hmm.
and we forget about our goals.
Hmm.
Learn to be
Conscious.
conscious,
Conscious.
being more conscious.
Again. Come to the word. Learn to be
Learn to be
conscious.
conscious.
Yeah.
Being more conscious in your day-to-day discussion will lead
Decisions.
decisions while led to
Will.
will
Hmm.
lead you to take the
Lead you. Will
lead
lead you. Yeah.
lead you
Yeah.
take the op-
Appropriate.
appropriate actions to reach
Appropriate.
your goals.
Yeah.
Have a purpose with life. Act according to your values and do not let people tell you what
No
to do.
peoples. People is already
People,
plural. So no peoples. Okay.
people, yes, people tell you what to do or how things should be.
Yeah. Read. Continue.
When you start to make more conscious decisions, you will start to think about if this is going to take you closer to your goals or drift your farther away. Why are you doing what you are doing right now? Why are you reading this? Nothing else to do? Or are you reading this
Or
site?
are you? No. Or are you?
Or are you reading this site so you might pick up a thing or two to consciously incorporate in your
Incorporate.
incorporate in your life to improve yourself that will move you in the direction you want.
Oh, okay. Wait. Next, Karthik.
What are the goals? Be healthy, lose weight, be fit, get the dream job, have the dream house, live the dream life, make a certain amount of money, start a family. If you truly want to pursue
Okay, 1
this
minute,
goal,
guys. 1 minute. When you have a question mark in your sentences, you should read like this: be healthy, lose weight, be fit, get the dream job, have the dream house, live the dream life, make a certain amount of money, start a family. It's a question mark, so you should read. You should even give the expressions also of that question mark. Okay, when you are reading, the other person should understand that, oh, you are asking a question. Understood?
okay, ma'am.
So if I am asking, if I just read, what are your goals? Be healthy, lose weight. No. What are your goals? Be healthy, lose weight, be fit, get the dream job, have the dream house, live the dream life, make a certain amount of money, start a family. Understood? This is for
Okay, ma'am.
everyone, okay? This is for everyone. Yeah, continue, Karthik.
These goals and actually see them come true, you need to start taking action consciously.
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 Yeah, read, continue.
Three, three keys to success in life that you can start doing now. There are three things we have to consciously start doing.
Yeah.
Write down your goals, create a powerful belief system, invest in yourself. Now I will show you how you can achieve each of them in detail. Write
Wait,
down your
next. Wait, may I continue? Ameya? Okay, next, Aishwarya. Aishwarya?
Write down your goals. The first thing you do in the morning will determine what your day is going to be like. Program your mind to be in powerful state from the moment upon waking, and you are guaranteed to have productive and great day. How you can do this is by writing your goals down every morning. Then once you have done that, circle the most important goal, the goal that in the long term will have the most impact on your life. Now ask yourself this question: what action can I make today that will change everything and take me closer to this goal? Write down all the actions you can think of. Circle the most important
Circle the two
important
most
ones and
important. Aishwarya, two most important.
okay, ma'am. Circle the two most important ones and just start doing them. Don't stop until it's done. There is a This is an extremely powerful method of getting in the right state first.
1 minute. Uh, first thing in the
First thing in the morning. Instead of wandering around half dead and spending 30 minutes to wake up, you are hacking your mind to be productive. Another powerful reason for writing down your goals is that by reading them, it makes us feel good. Write them as if they are reading accomplished. You are already there. Rereading and rewriting them every morning will ensure you to be in a resourceful state where you act based on your goals. You will make conscious decisions throughout the day that will support your goals and take you closer to them. Goals,
okay.
goals,
Okay. Continue.
goals that are not written down are merely wishes. The power of writing goals as if you are already there take us to point number 2.
Okay. Stop, Aishwarya. Next, Naveen. Alam Naveen.
Create a powerful
I can't hear your. I can't hear you, Naveen.
number one rule feeding is
Naveen, I can't hear you.
create a
Sorry, Naveen, I
create a
can't hear
powerful
you. Continue.
create a powerful belief system.
Mm.
Ask any successful person what their for succeeding is.
Naveen,
They all
what?
have this in common.
Naveen, what? What? What?
Ma'am?
What?
I don't know.
I'm explaining you the pronunciation, how to pronounce it. What?
Okay. What?
Yeah.
They believe
Screen is not
they believe
visible,
in
ma'am.
themselves.
Sorry, I did not hear what. Someone spoke in
Screen is
between.
not visible, ma'am. Screen is not
Sorry?
visible.
What is not visible?
Screen is not screen, ma'am.
1 minute. One minute, huh?
Yes.
Now?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, create a powerful belief system. Ask any successful person.
Ask any success what their number one rule.
Okay, Naveen,
Hello?
stop. I really, there is some disturbance with your connection, I guess. Let other Naveen read.
yes, ma'am. Create a powerful belief system. Ask any successful person what their number one rule for succeeding is. They all have this is in common. They believe in themselves and what they are doing. and they are not afraid to say it. If you don't believe in yourself, why would anyone else? Ma'am,
Continue.
completed. Ma'am.
You continue. I
But
have taken the another
I
one.
can't see the.
I
No,
hope
ma'am.
everyone can see. No, what
It is
happened? Is
not
there any
visible.
problem?
No, ma'am. We can see.
I think so, ma'am.
No, I can also
Yeah,
see.
it's visible. Yeah.
Okay. Now you can
Yes,
see,
ma'am.
Naveen.
It's now visible. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Here is.
When people ask you about your goals in life, don't be afraid to say it out loud. If you have high goals, they might laugh and look at you funny. But if you
Funny.
are
It's funny. Funny.
insecure, yes, ma'am, funny. But if you are insecure about your goals, you will make insecure decisions that will lead you no more. No way.
No. Hmm.
Go against the grain. Stand
Against.
out. After
Go
all,
against. Naveen, it's go not against.
yes,
It's
ma'am.
against.
Yes, ma'am.
Read again. Go
Go
against.
go against the grain. Stand out. After all, how many people in the world today are actually living the dream? Now, how many of these people will respond something in the likes of I don't know if you ask what their goals are?
Okay. Who is left next? Karthik, Pavan, Karthik done? Karthik, Pavan, Mukund.
May I start, ma'am?
Who's this? Actually, I can't see the
Amiya.
screen. I can only see the reading part. That's why I'm asking.
Amiya. It's Amiya.
Who is reading now?
Amiya, ma'am.
Okay, Ameya, continue.
The response from the boss was like most average minds, saying he was.
Be determined and believe in yourself. People will respect. I guess
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
that is going on, right?
Yes, ma'am. Be determined and believe in yourself. People will respect you for having the guts for going after what you truly desire. I once shared a story about a guy that worked
I
in a
once
video
heard
store.
a story. I once heard a story.
Hard. I once heard a
Heard,
story
heard,
about a
heard.
hard.
Not
Hard.
hard, heard.
It's hard, man.
Yeah,
Hard.
yeah.
I once heard a story about a guy that worked in a video store. Every day he would bring two magazines to work. One was an entrepreneur magazine, and the other was a magazine loaded with expensive and fast riding cars. His boss would ask him why he was bringing these magazines to work every day, and his answer was, I'm picking out the car I'm going to buy. The response from the boss was like most average minds saying he was. He was killing himself thinking like that. He would never ever get that car and would just end up disappointed when it never happened. Turned out, the guy later quit the job at the video store
Quit
and
the
followed
job.
his dream. Quit.
Turned out the guy later quit the job. He left the job.
Quit.
That is a meaning. Quit.
Okay, quit the job at the video store and followed his dream. Some years later, he returned to the video store to return a video, and he did so in the car he picked out from the magazine. The same people were working in the store as the day he used to work there. Now, can you imagine the looks on their faces when he turned up in the car they said he never ever would get?
Okay, who is left?
Mahendra.
Okay, read Mahendra.
Priceless, and it all started by creating a powerful belief system. The first step to living and achieving your dream is to believe it and imagine it. When you believe in your mind that you have already achieved your goals, you will develop a sense of certainty. That certainty will lead you to action steps.
Lead to action. No you is there. Lead to action steps.
Okay. Lead to action steps. When you know what that outcome is going to be, it's much easier to pick out the actions that are necessary to get there. You are certainly you will live in
You are
the body.
certain. You are certain. No, certainly. You are certain.
Okay. You are certain you will live in the body you want.
Okay, who left? No one? Suchitra, you're done?
Yeah, I done first.
Okay. Who? I hope everyone covered. So I'll stop
Yes, ma'am.
sharing this.
Okay.
I don't know how much you have heard about this, the people who are read. Fine, no problem. This is a very meaningful book. I mean, you have to follow your dreams. It's all about that. Okay, they should not allow other people to get into your life and comment on that. Okay,
Okay.
the book is all right. We'll continue it on the next class.
Ma'am, can you share the name of the book, ma'am?
I took it from the Google Play. I'll share the link of that book.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. I want everyone,
Yes.
I mean, you, even if you are taking the reading session of class, I want you all guys to read at your home also. Half an hour at least you have to read loudly. Any of the book, any story book, any novel, anything, newspaper, anything. Every day, make sure you take half an hour and spend it for the reading. I want everyone's yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Got
ma'am.
it.
Actually, I love reading, ma'am. I have lots of books.
But you read in your mind, right? You will not read loudly. I want you to read loudly. Unless and until you don't read loudly, you will not get the confidence to speak, first of all. Okay.
I will try.
Yeah,
Yes,
right.
ma'am. Got it. Got it, ma'am.
Yeah, I believe that. You have to read loudly, then only you will understand how much you, in mind you can read. It is very fast, but when you are reading loudly, there is your point. That is the main point of that skill. I will understand the difference where if you are not reading also, I will understand the difference. If you are reading, I will understand the difference. Both I will understand. So I can make sure who is reading and who is not within a week. When I am taking reading session here, so I will come to know who is reading and who is not. So I want
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
everyone to read any book, any novel book, story book, twinkle book, anything, but loudly.
Yeah, ma'am. Okay.
You're mature enough to, you're not kids, so you're mature enough to do your duty accordingly.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Everyone,
Right.
Naveen,
Yes, ma'am.
Mahindra, Ameya, Suchitra, Aishwarya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Right.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't have
Got it.
to be behind you. Did you read? Did you read? No. I will not do that. Sorry.
Okay.
Okay, guys. We'll see tomorrow then.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye, guys. Bye.
Madam, please, can you send today's notes also? Today's note also, can you send on WhatsApp?
Yeah, sure, definitely.
And yesterday's one page, the 18 number.
One page. No, I'll
page.
send. I'll definitely.
Yeah.
I'll do it now only.
Yesterday and today's notes.
Fine.
So,
Pakka,
okay,
pakka.
okay, thank you.
Yeah, bye, guys. Bye, Aishwarya. Bye, Naveen.
Bye,
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 Mahindra.
ma'am.
Bye, Ameya.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.